Welcome back. Now, there may be times when you need to have someone work with you remotely on your personal computer, or you may need to work with someone on their personal computer and you need to do so remotely. Windows 10 gives you a feature to facilitate this. And to find it, we're just going to go to the search box and we're going to type in Quick Assist. And you're going to notice that this is a desktop app. We're going to open up this desktop app. And once you have it open, you'll notice that you're going to have two choices. You can either get assistance from someone, allowing someone you trust to assist you by taking control of your computer through this facility, or you can give assistance. So for example, let's assume that you're going to give assistance. We're going to click this area. And now the other person that you'll be working with is going to need to have your security code. They're obviously also going to need to have Windows 10. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the security code to our clipboard, and then we can send it to the individual so that we can then take control of their PC through this remote facility. Now, assuming that you're the person that is going to be receiving the assistance, you're then going to go to this area in Quick Assist. And when you open up the link, you're then going to need to have the code that the other individual has given you so that they can begin to work on your personal computer remotely. And that is how you'll be able to work with others using Windows 10. As long as you both have the operating system, you'll be able to work with each other remotely. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.